Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start using the CapCut Pro features. I mean all the Pro features that CapCut say that you pay money before start using them. In this video, I want to show you how you can use them for free without paying any dime. We all know that the auto background remover that we normally use in CapCut was free. But recently, CapCut started adding money. So how do you start using all these features for free? I'll show you how you can start using them and also the audio voice enhancement. You know, the CapCut audio enhancement is one of the best enhancement in CapCut. But before you use it, you have to pay money. But I'll show you the easier way on how you can do all these things for free. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive into the video and see how we are going to use all this CapCut feature for free without paying. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, I told you guys that I'm going to show you the easier way on how you can start using all the CapCut Pro features for free. So this video we will use it for this tutorial, how we can edit our video, the step that you need to take on how you can achieve all. Guys, you know how to do that. I'll show you the easier way on how you can edit, on how you can use all the CapCut Pro features for free without paying any dime. So now let's start. First of all, we're going to go to our CapCut. If you have not downloaded CapCut, go and download your CapCut now on Play Store. So I'm going to go over to my CapCut app. Good. So this is it, and then I'll click on new project. So once I click on new project, I'm going to come over to photo. Here I have my background which I've already downloaded. So I'm going to look for the background. So I'm going to use this very background and then click on add. So this is my background. So what I will do, I will come over to this down here. Don't touch anything. Let me use the arrow point to indicate what I'm showing you guys. So I'll come over to this aspect ratio, that is the YouTube video ratio. So which is 16.9. Click, and then this is the 16.9, guys. I mean this very one, 16.9. Click on 16.9. You see that it has changed. I've changed to another shape. Then drag it to give it the actual size that you're actually looking for. Make sure it's fit to the screen. So now I'm going to draw this thing very well because this video is going to be a little bit long. So let me just leave it on this length and then return back and then come over here on overlay. This is the overlay that I'm talking about. This very one, overlay. I click on overlay, then I'm going to bring the video that I record of myself, which is this very one, and then I'm going to add. Then I will drag it to this level. See, I'm going to drag it to this level. And then what I will do here, I'll come to the down and come over to this place that says remove BJ, which is this very one, guys. Pay attention in this video. Come over to remove BJ and then touch and come over to the Pro features, guys. You don't have to be scared on this. We're going to use the Pro features and then I'll click on remove auto removal. As you can see, boom, it have actually removed the background. So now if we play this video, you see that we have a very clear background, you understand, and here we have it's showing that we are using the Pro features. You understand, we're actually using the Pro feature, showing that we're actually using the Pro feature, which is this very one at the up. So now what we are going to, after removing our background, just take a look the way it is. After removing our background, we want to do the color grading and also do some blurring and transition on this video and add some of the stuff that will actually spice our video. So come to the effect here, guys. Pay attention very well. Come to the effect, click on the effect and come over to video effect, which is this very one.
I don't know why this thing's okay. It's actually loading. So you have load successful. So actually, I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use the. Just click on the photo. I mean the photo, not the video itself. Then come down, scroll. See something that say relight. So which is this very one. So we want to make our video to look more professional. So we have this light or this light. These are pro features in CapCut. So if you click on this very one, you see how it look like, and then click again. So here you can select. We have light one, we have light two, then we have different type of color here, which I'm going to do it this way, and then I'll make sure the colors are okay. Then I'm going to increase this very one, then increase this very one again as well. Then I'll come to light two and select. Okay, I'm select this very one. Do the same thing, guys. Take a look. Make sure you pay attention to this video and see what I'm actually doing here. So okay, and then I think it's okay for now. Okay, then I'll come back again. Just take a look. Then if I actually want to do some transition in this video by changing different type of background, what I will do, I'll click on this very one and then split this video, split the background, and then click on add. I'm going to come over to this very one and add another background, guys. Just take a look and then drag it to this level and see, and then drag this very one. This is another background, and then when you want to put that transitions that, which I'm going to play this video for you to actually see the transition that I'm talking about, then come over to this place that say audio. Guys, pay attention and see what I'm about to show you. This place that say audio, click on audio, and then once you click on audio, you see something that says sound effect. Guys, pay attention. This is the sound effect. Click on sound effect, and then once you click on the sound effect, you see something. Although I've already saved it. Okay, let me come to transition and then check this very well. Okay, okay. So let me look for it. Okay, this very one. So we're going to use this very one. I'll add it and then increase the volume of it. So when we play this video, for example now, and then it reach to this level,
In this video, I'm
we're
going to
going to
show
see that
you
another
how you can
background
start
just came up.
using.
So now after this very one, we can actually click again and click on the plus button and then get another background, which is this very one. You see, just take a look, and then I'm going to fit the background to the screen and then also drag it a little bit and then do some a little bit light on this background, the one that I actually show you, which is this very one that say relight. Guys, pay attention and see the magic. This very one, then click on the light, and then here we have different type of light here. As you can see, the one that is actually showing that there is light turning all over. So sorry, I'm going to click and then intensity, and then on this very one I'm going to increase a little bit, and this very one to make my face look more brighter, and then the brightness of the light, and then the moving speed, it shouldn't be too fast, and then I'm going to feel like this. So when I play this thing now,
All the pro features that campus say that you pay more when you
okay.
first start using them.
So now what we'll do is that I'm going to add the transition, because every of the background that you add, you just have to add the transition. So what I will do, I'll just come here and duplicate this transition and actually drag this very one to this end. So guys, pay attention and then drag it to this end. So if I do it like this,
I mean, all the pro features that
okay,
campus say that you
you
pay more
see,
when you first start.
so this is how you do some of your editing. And at the end of this video, what you will need to do, before I show you what you need to do, please, if you love this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Please don't forget to share, comment, and tell me your challenges that you're actually having facing in CapCut, and I will do a video about it for you guys. So now what we will do after editing our videos, we have the pro version. So what we will do, for you to export this video is for you to do a screen record. After doing your screen record, guys, go back to CapCut and then do the cropping, and then your video is good without paying any of this money in this CapCut's future. So this is how you do very little like simple editing using all the CapCut features by doing screen recording in your videos, and your video is good to go. So guys, you can add sound, you can add a lot of things here, but for the sake of this video I don't want it to be so long, so this is where we're going to end this video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Love you. See you in another video. Thank you for your support.